We'd like to thank you for participating in this Maryland STEM Festival event. We hope you enjoy our virtual event and attend many more. You can find all the festival events on their website, www.marylandstemfestival.org. They ask that you follow their social media presence on Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Use the hashtag MDSTEMFest to share your STEM festival experiences. There is a survey on the website to give feedback on this event to help make next year's experience even better. While you are there, don't forget to sign up for the festival's newsletter. Finally, please consider supporting the festival through our GoFundMe campaign, also on the website. Enjoy the program.
Welcome back to week 3 of the Wicomico Library STEM Festival Science Series, brought to you by NASA at your local library. This week we'll be talking about the thermodynamic model and how heat affects water. Alright, so in your take-home kits you should have a bottle of water, a dye tablet, and a straw. So first what you want to do is have a grown-up help you either poke or drill a hole in the top of this cap. Put your straw through so there's about 2 or 3 inches sticking out of the top, and then either get a hot glue gun or some tape and seal the edge. Then just put your dye tablet in here, screw your cap on. There's going to be a little bit of overflow, so definitely get a bowl, and wait. If I can get this thing on. Yeah, give it a minute to let the dye do its thing. Then we'll just pretend it's already done. You just set it next to a heat source. That can be a table lamp, or you can put it outside in the sun. Whatever works, whatever you have. Alright, so we waited about 15 to 20 minutes, and if you've done everything right at home, the water should be somewhere up in the straw. As you can see, ours is about to overflow. So the way this works is you have hydrogen and oxygen that come together to form water molecules here. And these molecules are always moving, at least a little bit. And there's always a little bit of space between them. So when you add more heat, they begin moving faster, and that results in a little bit more space between them. So that, as you can see, it makes it a little bit less dense, so the water takes up more space and rises through the straw. It's the same basic principle as hot air balloons, and why hot air rises as opposed to going downward. And this accounts for about half of all the perceived water level rising around the world. So if you ever hear anybody talking about how oceans are rising, this is about half of that. This is Brian signing off. See you next week.